I have a reporter friend who covers for the Dallas Mavericks. Nalan ko rin yung mga kaibigan ko sa Phoenix. And then, what I found out was one of the knock, knock, quote unquote, na kay Ball daw is kulang daw sa medyo motivation because unlike these other players na lumaki sa hirap, they need to really work and pound. Ball grew up in affluence kasi yung tatay niya NBA player na. So, yun daw ang kulang, yung kulang sa motivation. But then again, is this where Coach Chot Reyes, the motivator, will come in?
Yeah.
Ito ba?
Well,
Ito ba,
we've heard that before. We've heard all of those comments about him before, even before deciding to bring him over. But like I said, for me, I will only find out his value and figure out if those comments are true when we get into battle itself.